Hey, what's going on, guys? First of all, I have a few updates. I want to thank you guys for how fast and how successful the Patreon has been. After doing it for about 2 months now, I feel like it makes more sense if I just do my monthly limited card drops on Etsy so people can order as many as they want, and it keeps everything organized and in one place, because dealing with Patreon and Etsy and custom orders and orders through PayPal and stuff like that, there's just too many places. And people keep asking me if they want to buy like another membership of the Patreon so they can get another card, and it just makes more sense to let people order as many of the limited cards as they want for that month, and once that month is over, then the cards are gone. So Patreon is probably going to be stopped, but monthly cards will be on Etsy. But anyway, I think it makes more sense if I just do everything on Etsy and keep it all organized, and also give people the opportunity to order more than just one monthly membership card. Instead, it's just limited monthly cards instead of membership cards. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. But also, I just finished like the biggest order I've ever done. And it's pretty crazy. Look at this box. That box is huge. I think there's like 500 to 1,000 packs in there. I can't remember how many. There was a lot of packs in there, but I gotta go drop that off. Yeah, it's pretty heavy. Okay, so it's been, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours since I announced that on Patreon, and it looks like most of you guys were pretty sad about it and liked having the exclusive cards only for Patreons. And yeah, so I might just keep it. So disregard the whole beginning of this video, and I'll probably make another post saying that I'll keep Patreon, because I didn't realize how much you guys loved it just being exclusively for patrons. I thought you guys just wanted the cards and might even want to purchase more, but I guess it's better to have it more limited to just whoever wants to become a member and support me directly than people that want to buy like hundreds of them and have a bunch of copies, you know? So shout out to you guys for being awesome and wanting to support me and get those limited time cards for your collection. So yeah, anyway, I'm working on custom cards, and I have a bunch of packs to make for Etsy, so I'm gonna do that. I actually thought about deleting that whole beginning part of the video, since I kind of took everything back, what I said, because instead of just trying to make it easier on myself and doing everything on Etsy, I'm keeping the Patreon for all you guys that really like the exclusive stuff. So yeah, anyway, I kept it in the video because I wanted to show you how my brain works and how I'm kind of just thinking about stuff and the Pokemon cards and you guys and stuff all the time. So I want to keep that in so you guys know it's like a real, what a real day is like, thinking of things that I should do, things I shouldn't do, and kind of testing new waters with the custom cards and Pokemon stuff and my art in general. So yeah, that was fun. That was a fun little. In other news, I got a package sent in from somebody. This is from the guy that was like one of the first people to order more than 50 packs, and he's been one of my biggest buyers so far, so it's really cool. He sent me this to show his appreciation, so I'm gonna open it. And then I've been meaning to set up a PO box so people could send me stuff if they ever wanted to. I've had people like make their own custom cards and want to get like my opinion on it, but I don't have a PO box, so maybe I'll set that up. If I do, it'll be in the description or something. But yeah, let's open this and see what we got from Dylan. All right, I'm gonna do a voiceover with this because my house was getting kind of loud with the kids running around. So yeah, Dylan sent me this box. He wanted to show his appreciation because he loves all the Pokéderp stuff, and yeah, I really appreciate him doing that. And he said he knew I love Gengar, so this is Gengar themed, which I saw once I pulled out this big old Gengar plushie, which I've been meaning to get one of these, but now I don't have to because Dylan sent me one. Thank you so much. This guy is freaking cute. And it's all in Japanese on the back, so I'm guessing this is one of the ones from Japan, which is freaking awesome because I love Japan. And let's see what else is in this box. I'm assuming these are going to be different cards and stuff inside of here. So let's just rip this open and see what's inside. I had a little trouble opening this. It was really sticky and sealed very nicely. So I guess that's a good thing. But yeah, we got some stuff in here. What is it? What is in here? Let's see. We got multiple things packed up in here together, nice and sealed together. So looks like a couple of like graded cards, and then some just like sealed packs. Oh, This was the clear Gengar card, 7.5 rating, but I've never seen these clear cards, and this thing is so sick. I want to make some clear cards. I need to figure out how to do that. Then we got these little mini collectible trading cards. I'm not really sure what they are, but they look like little trading cards, and there's like a bunch of different Pokemon on them. And then I forgot to show this. It said that he heard that I liked Gengar and Joy, so thanks so much, Dylan. I do love Gengar. Then we got another card right here. And then the final one is this super cool Gengar sticking his tongue out. So yeah, thanks so much, Dylan. This box was awesome. It was really cool to open a box sent from a supporter of my derpy art. This is so cool. I love it. I love it. Dude, all this stuff is so awesome. Thank you so much, Dylan, for that little package. That is so freaking cool. I love all the Gengar stuff. And that clear card, like, I don't know where you got that or what that thing is, but now I want to figure out how to make clear cards because that's so cool. But yeah, thank you. Anyway, I gotta make some more packs because I have a bunch of orders to do before I go on vacation. What? Oh, and I also finally got a sample for the game that I'm making, which I will be making packs for eventually to collect some holographic cards and rare alternate art cards. But the actual game that comes with 2 decks and dice and the instructions and everything is made. So I want to show that to you guys, and I'll probably hold a pre-order for that soon so you guys can order my trading card game. All right, I've been super excited to show you this, and I've been waiting for a long time till it's finished, but here it is. It's called Derpo Mania. Oh, let me get a better view of this so you guys can see it. All right, so here it is, all of its glory. Derpo Mania. Collect, trade, laugh, battle. With the logo, we got this Derpy Circle King. And when you open it, boom, this is the rule book. And then we got the collect, trade, laugh again. And then we got the coffee deck on this side, the characters. These are different warriors. Collect, trade, laugh, battle. And then we got the donut people, some donut warriors. And the 2 themed decks that come with it are in here. Once you move the instructions, you get 2 dice, so 1 die per person because you roll to see who attacks. And then in here we got the Crispy Queen and King Mean Bean. These are the hero cards, which I'm gonna say pretty derpy. And then I'll show you guys a warrior. Straub Frost right there with his axe. Then we got Tagofi right there with his sword. So yeah, pretty awesome. I think I'm gonna try to sell it for like $35 a box. And it comes with, like I said, 2 decks, dice, the instruction manual, and yeah, I mean, it's all my custom art in my game, so it's really cool. So I'll probably try to do it for 35. If it's too expensive to make this in bulk, I might have to do it for 40, but I'm hoping just 35. And I have a really cool idea for the pre-order bonus if you pre-order the game. I don't have the card with me. I can show you guys a picture of it right here, but I made a JWillyGuy hero card that it's going to be in the packs when I make the packs, but if you pre-order the game, you will get a holographic one that is signed by hand by me. So every pre-order of the box, you get a JWillyGuy hero card. So if you want multiple JWillyGuy hero cards, you have to pre-order multiple boxes. So that's how that'll work. The JWillyGuy hero card will be in the packs, so you can test your luck to get them, but there's no guarantee that you'll get a hollow one or not, and it won't be signed unless you do the pre-order. So that seemed like a good pre-order bonus. I don't know, I'm new to this. But I made my own card game, so yeah, and I tested a lot. It's pretty awesome. So you should try it too, you know? Okay, a huge shout out to all the Patreon supporters for this month. If you were a patron for this month but you don't see your name on here, it's probably because I started editing this video before you joined, so you'll definitely be in the next video. But anyway, my game, Derpo Mania, is up for pre-order at derpomania.com. The link will also be in the bio, and if you guys want to go pre-order it, go ahead and do that. Pre-orders will be open till June.